Oh, here it comes. We're gonna have to turn the car around.
Yep.
Or we're gonna lose it back. No. Oh, yeah. There we go.
I'm gonna roll the window up while we're turning so it doesn't get me.
Okay.
Or you're turning that way.
Well,
or...
yeah, I don't know. Ooh. Here we go. The wind's gonna change directions too.
Two on us.
Ooh. Here we go. Oh, look at that. We have severe thunderstorm on our hands. Ooh! Ouch!
Shit, those are, some of those are big. I think we've got a little bit bigger than quarter actually. Let me see if I can get a little bit of video too.
Oh no, oh no. These are harder than I remembered. Oh yeah, I wish this jet wipers could go faster. Ouch! Those are getting bigger. Oh god. Uh-oh. I think we need a face it.
You might want to. Yeah, I'd face it right here. Oh, those are bigger than quarter.
Is it hitting your side window still?
A little bit. That's bigger than quarter.
Yeah, good that.
Look at them bouncing. Look at them bouncing.
Okay, we got golf balls out here, I think.